Cancer, this message is arriving because the situation you've been emotionally holding together is reaching a natural turning point. Within the next 7 days, something changes, not because you finally get reassurance, but because you stop needing it to feel safe. That inner shift alters everything. You've been sensing the change before seeing it, a quiet knowing that something is concluding, rearranging, or softening. You didn't rush it because part of you understood that forcing clarity would only reopen old wounds. This week isn't about emotional intensity, it's about emotional maturity. And once that lands, the situation responds in kind. Hi, love, it's Ira. Let's go into what actually moves, why it moves now, and how Cancer stops carrying what's no longer theirs. The first card opening this reading shows emotional load set down. Cancer, you've been carrying more than your share, not out of obligation, but out of care. You held space, absorbed moods, anticipated needs, and stayed emotionally available long after it cost you peace. This card shows the moment you realize you don't need to keep holding everything for things to survive. The load was never meant to be permanent. Within the next 7 days, you consciously or unconsciously put something down. You stop checking in as much. You stop bracing for emotional shifts. You stop being the container. When that happens, your body relaxes, and the situation finally adjusts. The second card reveals truth felt, not explained. You've been waiting for a conversation, a moment where someone understands how deeply this has affected you. But this card shows that the truth arrives without words. A behavior confirms what you already felt. A pattern becomes undeniable. An emotional reality clarifies itself without confrontation. What changes you isn't validation, it's recognition. You stop doubting your emotional intelligence. Within the next 7 days, you trust what you feel without needing it mirrored back perfectly. That trust becomes your anchor. The third card stepping forward is boundary without guilt. This is huge for Cancer. You're used to boundaries being followed by emotional fallout, guilt, sadness, or fear of abandonment. This card shows you setting a boundary internally first. You decide what you will no longer absorb. Within the next 7 days, you respond differently. You don't over-explain. You don't soften the truth. You don't overextend to compensate. And surprisingly, nothing collapses. The world doesn't fall apart. In fact, things stabilize. This teaches you that boundaries are not withdrawal. They're protection. The fourth card shows emotional rebalancing. You've been overgiving in one area and under-receiving in another. This imbalance created quiet resentment you didn't want to admit. This card shows emotional equilibrium returning. You start receiving more: rest, understanding, space, or support. Within the next 7 days, the situation recalibrates because you're no longer pouring from an empty place. Before we continue, if you want your full 2026 Cancer forecast, covering love, money, career, and emotional well-being, that in-depth reading is available for $155 and can be booked anytime. The fifth card reveals safety rebuilt internally. Cancer, you've been looking for safety externally, through consistency, reassurance, or predictability. This card shows safety rebuilding from the inside. You stop monitoring emotional weather. You stop preparing for hurt. Progress begins because your nervous system finally feels grounded. When Cancer feels safe, life responds gently and clearly. The sixth card shows external softening. Once you stop emotionally bracing, others soften too. Someone becomes more responsive. A situation feels less charged. This isn't because you changed them, it's because you changed your energetic stance. Within the next 7 days, you notice less emotional friction, less tension, less unspoken strain. This confirms that peace doesn't need to be negotiated. The seventh card brings stability through emotional honesty. This stability doesn't come from keeping the peace. It comes from honoring your emotional truth consistently. You stop pretending you're okay when you're not. You stop minimizing what you feel. Within the next 7 days, your emotional world feels steadier because it's authentic. Cancer, if this resonates, like, share, comment, and subscribe so this message reaches others learning to protect their heart without closing it. The eighth and final card is Nurturance Redirected. This situation changes because you redirect your care back toward yourself. You still love, you still feel deeply, but you no longer abandon yourself in the process. This is the end of emotional overextension and the beginning of self-honoring connection. Affirmation. I honor my emotional truth. I release what I've been carrying too long, and I allow safety, balance, and change to unfold naturally.